Glad to have you back. Now, just as the market began trading this week, it ended today actually in the reds, declining by 0.21%. Now, if you must know, the Nigerian stock market began trading this week. It closed on Monday actually with a 0.03% decline in the all-share index. Now, today's all-share index is at 34,037.91 basis points. Now, this is a decline of over 800 basis point compared to how the market started trading this week. Now, the capitalization as well declined by about 292 billion naira to close today at 12.426 trillion naira. Now, that figure was the amount that the stock market closed on Monday. Like, if you deduct 292 billion naira, it will give you this figure. So if you add that up, it will give you the figure that the capitalization began trading on Monday. Now, taking a look at today's top gainers, we have Glaxo, we have Mobil, Dangote Sugar, and Diamond Bank. Now, Dangote Sugar is making its first entry on the top gainers chart today. Now, the company recently, just yesterday actually, announced the appointment of a new COO. Now, some investors might have seen this as a good reason to invest in Dangote shares because the new COO of Dangote Sugar is well known for successes recorded while managing a host of other companies worldwide. So it might, beam a light on Dangote Sugar, and the shares of this company might just go up. So investors are quick, to, invest in Dangote Sugar. Hopefully, when it go up, they might just sell off and make some good gains. And we also have Diamond Bank on the top gainers chart. Diamond Bank has some bad news today. Today, 250 million naira was deducted from his account by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Now, Diamond Bank is one of 4 banks which are accused of helping MTN repatriate an amount of over $8 billion abroad. Now, they have denied these allegations, but CBN is not taking any part of, is not really, listening to what they're saying. Now, 250 million naira has been deducted from their accounts, but they're still on the top gainers table for today. Now, taking a look at today's losers, we can see that Dangote Cement lost all of its gains recorded yesterday to land on the losers chart today. Now, Dangote Cement led yesterday's gainers, but today it is on the losers chart, more like it traded place with Dangote Sugar to make this chart. And yesterday it closed at 224 naira, but today it is seen at 223 naira. It was also a bad day for Union Bank of Nigeria, WAPCO, that is Lafarge, and Zenith Bank. And on our top traders chart, we have Guarantee, Zenith, Sovereign Insurance, and Fidelity Bank. Again, it is dominated by the banking sector like it was yesterday and on Wednesday. Now, Guarantee is making its second day on the top traders chart. Yesterday, it was on the losers table, so this means that investors are fast selling off their shares of Guarantee, Trust Bank, and the reason might just be, maybe the shares have gone so low that some investors can afford it. So probably some are buying and some are also selling off, which is why it is on the top traders chart. And we also have Zenith, who closed on the top losers chart today, closing on the top traders chart, which means that investors just might be selling off their Zenith Bank shares. Now, looking at today's market summary, we can see that 155.95 million shares were traded today. Now, this is an increase of 200 million, about 200 million compared to the number of shares that were traded in the market on Monday. And the value is 2.103 billion naira on Monday. This closed at about 3 billion naira, 3.1 billion naira. So there's a decline in the value of shares traded. And the deals is 2,715. On Monday, it was 3,080. Now, it wasn't just the Nigerian stock market that closed in the reds once again. The global stock market is also in the red. Now, Dow Jones and Nikkei is in the red for 6 straight days now. And FTSE is spending the 4th day in the red. Now, that's been a look at the stock market.